And now lullaby. So we're going to hopefully go to the end of this one now. So your hands together up to bar here, bar 18, and then put the last 4 bars, the hands separately, and you might be able to get that hands together after 2 or 3 weeks, okay? So I won't play this all from the beginning because you've almost got this now. I'm just going to go from bar 11 just to highlight that counting again. So I've asked you a couple of times to correct that. So is this counting here? You always play that G straight after the D instead of counting the 2 quaver counts there. So just watch out in that bar. That's bar 12. So I'm going to go from bar 11 together quite slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, so make sure you're getting that timing. So the right hand should all be joined up. You know that you've got to move your 5th finger in bar 16 to squeeze it to the D a little bit, all right? The left hand in contrast is lifting all this, because of course the G is played every time, all right? Then watch out here that you're doing D to D sharp, then E, my 3rd finger, to C sharp, all right? So just put those 4 bars together. So join the right hand there, and join here. I can lift both here and play down again. Okay, let me carry on with just the right hand because it's the same 2 notes again. And then you've got to change to the 5. Don't forget your F sharp. And then at the end it goes to the 3rd finger, 4 to G, 2 to E, and finish on the D. So I don't think you had a pencil or anything to hand in your lessons, so just write this fingering in 4 to 2 there, because that's a skip there, watch out for that, and 4 to 2. And the left hand, I'm going to go from bar 19, okay? So these in effect are the same notes as bar 17 and 18, but instead of playing them like that, you're just putting them as separate notes, but they are the same pairs of notes as the chords, exactly. So use the same fingering, 4, 3, 3 again, and 5. So that's why I don't think it would be too bad to learn that. You could probably play those 2 bars hands together. Okay, then the left hand finishes with D, which should be your 4 anyway. Then you've got D and C, like that. And use the 2 and the 4 that it tells you to on this last chord. Now that last chord is G and B, but notice the G underneath is a dotted minim, and in 6/8 that's the whole bar. So I've got to leave that 4th finger down while I play C to D, C to B, C to B. All right, and watch the counting, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and with both hands, 1,